Welcome back. So in this video, we're going to export the video to Media Encoder. But before we do that, I want to fix one thing on our timeline, okay? And make sure you save. I want to extend the background to the 5-second mark, okay? So I'm going to scrub to 5 seconds and 0 frames. And then I'm going to grab the work area tab here and expand that out to here. And then I'm going to select the background and then drag that out to 5 seconds. Now you'll say, why would you do that? Here's why. When I hit play, we're going to see the logo. It's going to transition away, right? Then we need a little filler at the end. Post-roll is what they call it. Normally what you do is you do a 2-second post-roll and a 2-second pre-roll. Why do you do that? That way you have time to cut off on the production. They do this on live TV. They do this on closed circuit TV. The reason for that is you have a pre-roll and a post-roll, okay? It gives you 2 seconds of time to get situated. So you have a little bit of footage you can use to transition to the next scene, okay? So if I have a second, then I can use that to transition to the next scene, or I can cut it off right here, okay? It just gives me a little more time to do it. Now we gave ourselves no pre-roll at all, but for a logo you don't need to do that, because what I'm telling you in the story, what we're presenting is that when we start, this is the beginning of the presentation. So when we start, the logo shows up right away in less than a second, okay? Literally at like frame 9 or 10, it shows up, okay? So at 1 second, we have visual, okay? And by the second, it's already fading away. So it's a quick in and out type of effect. And that's the point, because we want to just give it a quick, it's a quick modern day looking graphic, right? Okay, so now let's export this out to Media Encoder. Now that we've added that second, I'm going to save it again just to make sure we have it. I'm going to go to File. We're going to go to Export. And you can add it to the render queue, okay? And what's the render queue? That's inside of AfterEffects. So you can render it inside of AfterEffects. We are going to render it in Media Encoder, okay? And you'll notice we've already rendered, okay? So if the line is green here, it's rendered. If it was yellow, we would need to render the video, okay? So we're going to add to Adobe Media Encoder queue. And that will open up, so we'll give it a second to open. And so that's just how you export it to Media Encoder. So once we get to Media Encoder, then we're going to go to the next video where I'm going to show you how to render the video. Okay, so it should add it to this. There we go. All right, so it's added it. Thanks for watching, and I'll see you in the next video.